Their shoes had snow in them. Okay. Winter Wonderland. Ooh. Oh. Well, my boots have snow in them. Should have thought that out a little more carefully. Let's see whose I can borrow. Well, y'all, what lovely weather we're having in March. Crazy. It's nice and toasty in here, though. Roof's covered in snow. Leave my stove running for a while, and we'll check it, make sure it's filled up good, because I'm not turning it off for a bit. But this came overnight about 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is the most snow we've had in a while. Probably December 2020. So beautiful. We were supposed to go to a wedding today. I don't think that's happening. I don't think so. Look at that. I woke up this morning to ice hitting my bathroom window. I could hear it. It's like that's not a normal sound. And I think there was some lightning and thunder and all that good stuff. So anyways, yeah. Well, I'm going to check everything real good here, headed back in for some breakfast, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. The sun came out a little bit earlier, and it was melting some spots. But we got quite a bit. Look at the fence posts. Look at that. Oh my. Look at the ice. Look at the icicles on my greenhouse. Crazy. I think I can try to knock them off. I bet y'all are wanting some food. Alright, I think I'm going to go outside and knock some of the snow off the roof. Frozen. It's cold. Alright. Got some of the snow off, but couldn't reach all of it. That's okay. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's still nice and toasty in here, and still looks like spring in here. It's crazy to see these little flowers and look out there and see all that snow. Cold. All the sun's coming out now.
Alright.
You going back in?
He's wearing shorts. I'm going to tackle him.
Wearing shorts. Good grief. Some people never learn, do they? Look at this bougainvillea my neighbor gave me. He told me that's how to pronounce it, so I'm going to pronounce it like that. But isn't that just beautiful? Especially up next to the snow. So pretty. So that one. My flowers, watching it snow. And Audrey. What do you think about snow, Audrey? She likes to inform me of the weather. She says it's going to be a nice cozy day inside. My ice plant succulent is got some pretty gorgeous blooms. I've noticed it's starting to bloom in the last week or so more than it was over the winter. It still bloomed over the winter, just kind of cut back a little bit, but it's going to start picking up again. And as far as the seed starts, everything's still coming along pretty good. Oh, starting to get our first set of true leaves on those. Haven't seen anything up from this tray yet. This is those 5-spot flowers, so I don't have them on a heat mat. That probably would speed some things up. Starting to get true sets of leaves on these. These are more marigolds. Tomatoes, of course, doing good. And this is going to be tackled next week, I'd say. Bell peppers are still happy. Haven't seen coreopsis yet. I do have them on heat mats. I've got to get my fish tank in the basement set up. So what I've decided on is this. So we're going to raise guppies down here. Now, I decided that I'm going to get 4 tanks just like this, so they'll all be uniform, and I think it'll be better for them to have a shallow, more wide tank. Just what I've researched. I think they'd do fine in that, but I'm gonna get 4 of the same ones, and I actually have them on sale online right now. So basically 2 for the price of 1. So I'm gonna get 4. And I think my husband's going to build me a little stand so we can raise them up a little bit so I don't have to bend down to see them or somebody comes to look at them. So that might be something he does this weekend. Just something simple and quick. And then I'm going to order those other 3 and get them set up. I think I'm going to need a couple more of these sponge filters though. But everything else I've got. This connects 4 of the sponge filters. So just 2 more of these. And these were like $5 at the aquarium store I went to. So that's good. And then I have gravel, so we'll get all that going and cycling. Probably use some of this water to go in each one of these to get it jump started with the good bacteria and all that. Because I've had a lot. This has been cycled for a long time. I had water in this from my old aquarium, which is really good to get things going. And these little fish in here look like they're doing pretty good too. All right, I'm headed back inside. It's chilly out. My hands are red and frozen, and I'll see you guys later.